In this video, I will show you how to use Gmail filters to stay organized. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. Once you're in Gmail, select the gear icon in the top right and select See All Settings. Look for filters and blocked addresses. Create a new filter. Put the address that you would like to create a filter from. So we are going to say Kyle Middleton at clickup.com. You can add a subject like invoices or meetings. Click Create Filter. You can choose a filter action like skip the inbox, mark as read, star it, apply the label, forward, and there's many more other options. So we are going to select star it, create filter, and now your filter has been created. To manage your filter, simply go back to settings, filter and block addresses, and look for the filter that you would like to edit. You can then edit it or delete it. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.